This place is called McCarthy Beach, located in Abraka Delta State, and I'm so excited so far. Like, just guys, just take a look at the beautiful environment. This is just like a tip of the iceberg of what I'm gonna show you guys. What's my opinion on this place? This place is very amazing, no doubt, very beautiful, no doubt. And another thing is this, like, if you have any thoughts of having a very nice vacation, this is the right place to come because they have everything you needed in a vacation. They have good room, they have good swimming water, they have tour boats, they have cruising boats. They have so many activities going on this artificial beach. It's artificial beach. So this is kind of like a volleyball stand or whatever. And over there you can see a football. There is a football, a football post or something like that. Also, so many activities going on here. So this is a nice place to have a very good vacation, especially if you are in eastern part of Nigeria or wherever you are in Nigeria. You can come down, or even if you're out of Nigeria and you feel like you want to go, you want to travel to Africa, you want to have a good vacation. My brother, my sister, my friend, this is a nice place to be. This is also, and this is not paid advert, but like I'm just kind of like sharing my experience. For me, I'm gonna say like this would be like the top place on my list of where I've been so far, like the top place for good recreation, good vacation. This is the top place for me in my list right now. So like I'm giving this place straight A's, top one in my list. This is so beautiful. Hey guys, this video has come to an end. If you like this place and if you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Called Peace.